To use circle to search on a Samsung A27 5G, if you are using 3 buttons navigation, you have to click and hold the home button, but if you are using gestures, you will have to the same click and hold this line that is on the bottom of the screen. And now, what you can do? First of all, we can circle about the object or tap on the object that we are looking for. So in this case, I want to get some more information about this icon. So I'm clicking here, and now if I'm gonna expand, I can find AI overview, visual matches, exact matches. There we go. So I just exactly know right now what is this icon. This is just a simple example, but what next? What we can also do, like we can just simply get some translation. So if I'm gonna open the settings and it's in English, if I'm gonna try tap on the translate button, it's automatically detected that it's English, but let's say I want to translate this, for example, into the Arabic language. So I've got it. This is just a quick translation. What else? Like we can search for nearby play songs by clicking on this one, but currently it's not supported for my region. If you are living outside Europe, maybe it will be available. You can let me in the comments. You can also ask Google. You can also ask, Google about this specific picture. So if you see some pictures, you can mark it and then ask if it is, for example, real, or if it was like created by AI, or for example, what is the destination or something like this, whatever you want to do. And you can also click here to see the history of your searches with this tool. And here you can delete last 30 minutes. You can also check history. And what is also really useful about this circle to search, that you can click and hold and select a text. Take a look. You can copy things that are not possible to copy normally. So if I want to copy something from the settings, like without this, it will be not possible because I'm just clicking, holding, and I cannot select this text. But with circle to search, it is possible.